One thing I wanted to make sure for 2024 that we did here at Lover of Tech Media was giving our workspace and desk setup an upgrade that is worthwhile and makes a real difference to our workflow. I think I just found a way. Meet the Vernal standing desk and the Setup-In-One System, and this is at the heart of what is currently, at the time of this recording, our best desk setup yet, and is the difference maker for our productivity and workflow improving for 2024 and beyond. The folks at Vernal were kind enough to send over 2 of their motorized standing desks in a 120 by 70 centimeter size in a white and light walnut color, and 3 additional accessories: the desk shelf, integrated drawer, and the desktop extension board. I'll be using a white desktop with the integrated drawer and the desktop extension board for my working space, while TC, who co-hosts with me on Lover of Cars, which if you haven't subscribed to our car channel yet, be sure to do so in the description below. He will be using the light walnut desktop setup with the desk shelf for his workspace at Lover of Tech Media HQ. There are other new additions to my desk setup that I will mention, showcase, and link in the description below, just in case you want to pick them up for yourself, because it's been a huge difference maker in making this upgrade worthwhile. But at the center of it all, it's the Vernal standing desk with their Setup-In-One System. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. Before even getting to use the standing desk, which is clearly the best part, the assembly process is one of the best parts about the Vernal standing desk. I usually dread this part of putting together a new desk, especially considering the nature of a motorized standing desk, but it just wasn't the case here at all. Thanks to the nature of the frame, desktop integration, and the patented structured design, there are less steps needed to put the desk together, and less steps means less time needed for assembly. So when Vernal says quick assembly, they mean it, because whether it's a 1-person or 2-person job, putting this desk together is light work. What makes the Vernal standing desk special is their Setup-In-One System, which is based around their accessories ecosystem like the integrated drawer, desktop extension board, file cabinet, and more, offering you the perfect setup for the space you're in. For my setup, having the integrated drawer with the desktop extension board has been the difference maker, with the integrated drawer being absolutely one of my favorites. The adjustable height range of the desk is between 58 to 123 centimeters, with the ability to set 4 height presets of your liking. The motors are smooth and powerful, with a weight capacity of 160 kilograms. And for fun, we tested this with 4 fully loaded sandbags on top of the full desk setup with 3 27-inch 4K monitors, and it did not break a sweat. In fact, the structure and stability of the desk is so good, even at the maximum standing height, when typing or using the desk, it's solid and feels almost no different to the sitting level. To set the desired height preset you want, raise or lower the desk to the height you want using the up and down buttons. Once at the height needed, press and hold the preset number you want and the lock button on the far right together until you hear the beep sound and see the numbers flash. I've set my presets for when I'm sitting and working at the desk, standing height for my webcam, full standing height for working, and lower height with enough room to tuck my chair away when I'm done with work. As mentioned, there are 3 additional accessories we are using with the Setup-In-One System. I'm using an integrated desk drawer with the desktop extension board with my white walnut desktop, while TC is using a desk shelf with his light walnut setup. For the proportion and size of my room, having a 120 by 70 desk is perfect, but from time to time I do wish the width of the desk was longer, and that's where the desktop extension board is so good. Thanks to the patented structured design I mentioned previously, the extension board slides right in and makes easy work for full installation. Now, I opted not to do the full installation, so I have a modular experience of being able to remove and add the extension board whenever I need to without having a permanent fix, just because the structure is so strong. This is the best solution of having your cake and eating it, or having the best of both worlds of needing a big desk when needed and also a smaller desk when you don't. The biggest difference maker is definitely the integrated drawer, and this is an understatement just how much having this has helped keep my desk setup clean and clutter-free. I use it to store ad hoc things that I keep and use on a regular basis like remotes, tools, and alternate peripherals like my gaming keyboard and mouse. Yes, my main workstation is based around my 14-inch MacBook Pro. I also have a custom PC that I use for 4K live streaming on YouTube and PC gaming when needed. This makes having the integrated drawer so clutch when I need to swap out my productivity peripherals for my gaming peripherals. From easy access to the drawer thanks to the front flip drop down and the space it has to store things away from my desk to reduce clutter, this is definitely a part of the desk setup worth having. Now look, I'm gonna call myself out and save the hassle of all of you in the comments who are going to come after me in regards to my cable management skills. I'm just not good at cable management. That is just a simple fact, and honestly, it's just something I need a bit more time with and probably deserves its own follow-up separate video. But for the sake of this video right now, what's great about the Vernal standing desk is the cable management routing holes that are built into the table itself and also the trays at the back under the table. This definitely makes a huge difference to how my cable management situation was previously. So this is a great benefit of the Vernal standing desk. Stay locked and subscribed as I will be following up with the tips and tricks I've learned towards improving my cable management with this standing desk. Whether it be things like longer cables, Velcro, cable ties, etc., you name it. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any suggestions. Now for TC's desk setup with the desk shelf accessory on the light walnut desktop, this is a great solution for giving your computer monitor extra height, using it for things like speakers or placing ad hoc things away that you need quick access to for things like pens, stationery, or even earphones. This allows you to maximize and keep your desk space nice and clean. I can't say how happy I am with Vernal standing desk with their Setup-In-One system, and although this is the main focus and the heart of this desk setup upgrade for 2024 and beyond, there are some additional honorable mentions that complete my upgrade. First is the Insta360 Link 4K AI webcam. Considering how many video calls I do on the business side, having a compact, high quality webcam is so important for the times I need to look good and well presented on camera. This is not a full feature review, but I will mention a few things that stand out about this webcam that makes it a worthwhile upgrade for my desk setup, which are 4K resolution, AI tracking, versatile modes, and gesture control. Compared to most webcams supporting 1080p, having 4K here is great for a crisp image, and backed with the fact that it uses face detection autofocus, videos look natural with great auto exposure. Since the webcam is basically on a 3-axis gimbal, backed with Insta360's AI algorithm, the webcam is able to follow your every move with the added benefit of auto zoom and framing. Having different modes like desktop view makes it easy to showcase things like products, drawings, and more when on video calls and doing presentations. In addition to having gesture controls to enable different modes like AI tracking, whiteboard mode, zoom in and out, and more. This makes the experience stress-free when you're actually presenting. From manual controls for exposure, image quality, gimbal control, recording video, and taking pictures and screenshots, the Insta360 Link is a solid one. Next is MagBak's 3-in-1 wireless charger for your compatible smartphone, earbuds, and smartwatch. This is a high quality wireless charging stand and comes with an included 20-watt charger and works great with your MagSafe phones and cases to wirelessly charge your phone in a standard position, making it much more useful. Definitely a difference maker in making me actually enjoy using wireless charging for a change. Now, when switching to my gaming PC, it's down to my Razer peripherals with the BlackWidow V4 75% mechanical keyboard with orange switches, the Viper V3 HyperSpeed wireless gaming mouse, and the Blackshark V2 HyperSpeed gaming headset. The combination of these three peripherals makes gaming so much more enjoyable, especially for first-person shooters, and just the sheer comfort and convenience of the headset with the built-in high-quality microphone, Bluetooth 5.2, up to 70 hours of battery life with the ability to use it in wired mode over USB-C, definitely makes the Blackshark V2 one of my favorites. There are so many other products that carry over from my previous setup that are not mentioned in this video, so I will make sure to link them in the description below. And also, if there are any others that you see in this video that I've missed that you are interested in, then be sure to leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to engage. Big thank you to the kind folks over at Vernal for making this possible with their standing desk and their setup-in-one system, in addition to the other brands like Insta360, Razer, MagBak, and more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.